Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
This is your Josh.
Yes, sir.
This is your Josh.
Yes, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
You are here for a specific purpose. What's your purpose?
To join
Indian
Air Force.
Air Force. So today we are going to do a important activity that is called group discussion.
Yes, sir.
But before group discussion, we must know each other what we are exactly.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to discuss, are going to introduce yourself from chest number 1 to chest number 14 or chest number 14 to 1. This is my wish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is my wish. You have to start in descending order. So who will come first? Chest number 14 will come first. Okay, come.
Good morning, respected sir and my dear friends. This is Saurav Yadav in front of you. As far as my education is concerned, I did 10th class with 73.33% and 12th class with 69.4% from RBSC. My hobby is playing cricket and my aim to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Excellent. Well done. Next.
Respected sir and my dear friends, this is Himsing Shekhawat from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I did metric from Gulmol Charan Academy in Paota, Jaipur with 86.33% and I did intermediate with 83.20% from Sikar, Rajasthan in science stream. As far as my family is concerned, my father is serving at Subedar post and my mother is homemaker. And we are two brothers. I am the younger one and my elder brother is also in Indian Army and in the same regiment of my father's. And my hobby is to play open world games, and if we come to know to my aim is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you, sir.
Next. Very good. Good. Chest number 11.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning. This is Himanshu Keshwan from Alwar, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I did matrix in 70% 9th Senior Secondary School, Panchur, Alwar. I did intermatrix in 62% in the same schools. As far as my family is concerned, my father is a constable in Rajasthan Police and my mother is a homemaker. We are two siblings, I am elder one. And my hobby is to play in cricket and my aim to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Very beautiful. Excellent. Next.
Good morning everyone. Thank you sir for giving me a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself before you. My name is Rakesh Gujjar. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. I completed my intermediate with 84% marks and matrix with 82% marks. We are two siblings. I am elder one. My father is serving in Indian military services and my mother is housewife.
Very good. Keep continue.
Now I am pursuing BSc final year, streaming mathematics. If I come to my aim, I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my country as well as my motherland.
Very good. Excellent explanation. Next.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning. This is Sonu Yadav from Alwar, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I did matric with 77% and I did intermediate with 77% in science stream. I completed BSc. As far as my family is concerned, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. We are two brothers. I am elder one. As far as my hobby is concerned, my hobby is playing cricket. And my aim to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Very good. Nice. Next one.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning. First of all, I would like to say thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Vikas from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I did 10th with 83.50% and 12th with 84.80%. Now I am pursuing BSc final year from Shekhawati University, Sikar, Rajasthan. My hobby is to play cricket and my aim to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Very good. Next.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning. This is Rahul from Rajasthan, Alwar, Rajasthan. As far as my education is concerned, I did 10th class with 9.6 CGPA by Suraj Public School, Kotasim, and I did 12th with 78.40% by Dronacharya Senior Secondary School in Science stream. As far as my family is concerned, my father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. We are two siblings. I have an elder sister. As far as my hobby is concerned, I like to play kabaddi and my aim is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Very good. You introduce yourself very nicely. You are happy?
Yes, sir.
You are happy with your introduction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you know each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to do an important activity that is called group discussion.
Yes, sir.
In this group discussion, you have to active participate.
Yes, sir.
The topic is very easy. You know the topic?
No, sir.
What's the topic?
No, sir.
You don't know the topic?
No, sir.
Topic is very easy, that is demonetization. Right, gentlemen, in 2016, the government has taken a landmark decision, that is demonetization.
Yes, sir.
So as per your opinion, the decision which was taken by the government of India for demonetization was right or wrong? If you feel the decision was right, you have to give some points in favor. If you feel the step taken by the government was wrong, you say in against. You are ready for the discussion?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Start.
On 8 October 2016, Indian government demonetizes
Loud and clear.
and 1,000 rupees and announced that launch new 500 and 2,000 rupee note. In my opinion, that is a great step for stop corruption and beneficial for online sector. Why demonetization?
Yes,
Yes, you may be right.
You may be
But
right.
I
You
think
have
I
it
have
is
different
a
opinion
wrong
on this.
decision from
Speak
the
loud and
government
clear,
of India.
gentlemen.
Firstly, talk about
I-
the
the
benefits of
government
demonetration.
on
We are
8
understand that what
November
is
2016,
demonetization is.
the government of
Demonetization
India
is
announced demonetization of
to stop
500 and
invalid
1,000
money, invalid
rupees
the
note.
current money.
I have a
And
good idea. We all know that real estate business is built in over the black money. As per a report, the 40% real estate business is built by black money.
Is at present time
Built by the black money.
The government
demonetization
property
rates
black money.
at
But
the
he-
circle rate of that area. So after demonetization, it is a good step. And
you may be right,
You may be
but
right,
it
but
is
maybe
my
anti
opinion
corruption
is
and
many benefits to us because
it is the
increasing corruption
is
the side by side.
money,
It
it
is
stop
the
corruption
side by side
and
with the black money.
increasing-
All these steps need the black money.
Friends,
So
I am
by
agree,
the
I agree with chest number 14 as he said
first
that there is so many advantages of demonetization of currency, like it avoids black money, and you know that most of the persons have black money which is unaccountable currency, and after the demonetization of currency it is very beneficial in the terms of black money.
I agree with chest number 13, but there are black money.
I want to
there are-
demonetization.
there are also fake money in India, and
the demonetization was
they are
levied,
helping
why
to
it was
fund
levied,
the
and what
terrorist
is mean.
activities and other illegal
Demonetization.
activities.
Listen to chest number 11. He want to say something. Please listen. Give him the chance also. He is waiting for his chance. You want to give him the chance?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to give him the chance?
No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chest number 11. Your friends are very happy with you. They are now giving you the best opportunity to speak on. Start.
Thank you, sir.
I agree with chest number 5. After demonetization, corruption is increased, and demonetization 99% money come back to RBI.
Yes, I agree with chest number 11. in 2020 our GDP was 3.7% and government is target 3.3%. It is so high. It is very dangerous for it is very dangerous sign and it is lost our country economy very.
Friends, before demonetization, our GDP was 8.7%, but after
Our
it
economy is goes to
decreased
cashless
5%,
economy.
and now
So,
in 2019
our economy
it became
decreased, but
only
in future
5.3%.
our economy decreased.
Decrease of
accelerated.
GDP after demonetization.
Friends, as we all know that earlier we have so many fake currencies of denominations in 500 and 1000 rupees.
Okay, right, gentlemen, who is favoring demonetization was the right step?
Yes, sir.
Chest number 14, 13, 10 and 1. Okay, chest number 1 give just 1 point. If you favor demonetization was the right step. Just you have only 30 seconds.
It will help in to stop the fake money, which is they give fund to the terrorist activities and other illegal activities, and demonetization stop corruption also, and government.
Very fine. Chest number 10.
After it, we can stop the counterfeit currencies and we can promote the Digital India campaign. And after it, the transparency come to the markets, and the tax rate was given by.
Very fine. Chest number 13. You also favoring?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Okay, yes.
Friends, we got so many advantages after demonetization of currency. Like now, government helped in a lot of ways. Like they track the black money which is going in the market in the form of unaccountable currency, which hold by many people. And now, as per
Fine. Chest number 14 you also supported?
Yes, sir.
That was the right step?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now you support?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
After demonetization, online sector is increased. It is the very necessary for a developed country, and our economy goes to a cashless economy. It is necessary for developed country, and the main thing that real estate business is decreased because property rate is decreased, and the almost 40%.
Excellent.
I agree with chest number 14.
Chest number 1, chest number 10, 13 and 14 you spoke well in favor of demonetization was the right step taken by the government of India. Now chest number 4 you are against, that was the not right step. Chest number 4, 5 and 11. Okay, chest number 4 your chance has come, speak. You have only 30 seconds.
Government estimated that 5 lakh crore currency removed from the circulation after demonetization. But according to a 2018 report from the RBI, that, after demonetization, 99.3% of demonetized currency deposited in the bank. So there are no black money.
Right. Chest number 5.
After demonetization, government started 2,000 rupees. He note is very so high, and every poor people is no his transaction not easily, and he increase the corruption because his way is very wrong.
Very good. Next.
Friends, after demonetization, in corruption increase, and notes sold to step by step.
Okay, fine gentlemen, you all are happy with your performance?
Yes, sir.
You all are happy with your performance or not?
Yes, sir.
So again I am giving you 1 minute to entire group
Yes, sir.
for the final conclusion.
Yes, sir.
The government step was right or wrong? So within the last 1 minute you have to conclude.
Yes, sir.
Start discussion again.
After
In my opinion,
demonetization,
demonetization is a best step taken by the government because by the demonetization.
Gentlemen, you have only 1 minute.
corruption is very stopped and the fake money.
You are
After
telling
demonetization,
We can promote the national India campaign and
Also fund the terrorist activities.
the transparency in cash and counter currencies decrease
all transaction is
the control over the funds of terrorists.
Come out the and announce
fake loan is the out of the society.
very dangerous sign
and
to
announce
our country.
rupees and by this the
economy,
government
the
take
employment
tax from
decrease
them
and
and has
government
Transparent.
Okay, fine, gentlemen. You didn't reach on conclusion, isn't it? Yes, sir. So again, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Within the 30 seconds, I have to select only 2 candidates because I have only 2 vacancies, and I want to select only 2 candidates. Time you have only 30 seconds. Who want to get select? You all want to get select? Yes, sir. So within the 30 seconds, you have to perform in very best manner. Start.
Dear friends,
in the bank. So they take out all the black monies and that is unannounced money.
So
And
it
they
operate the
record tax and they
transparency in
help
currency.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, gentlemen. 30 seconds has been over.
Yes, sir.
You all today performed well. From my side, I am going to increase the number of vacancies because initially I have only 2 vacancies. Now I have 7 vacancies.
Yes, sir.
How many candidates are there?
7.
So all of you are recommended for this stage. You are happy?
Yes, sir.
You are happy?
Yes, sir.
Because I am recommended you strongly because you all performed well today and you all have given the good fact and figures on demonetization. Whether you are in favor, whether you are against. So tomorrow again we will discuss on different topic.
Yes, sir.
Right, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.
sir.